Close your eyes and imagine this. You're standing on the edge of a jagged cliff in Utah. You put on your goggles, and suddenly, you aren't just looking through a camera, you're a bird. You dive, you spin, you weave through narrow canyons at 60 miles per hour. But there's a problem. Usually, you only see what's directly in front of you. If an eagle flies past your side, or a stunning waterfall drops behind you, you miss it. What if I told you that the blind spots of drone flying have just been deleted? What if I told you that DJI, the undisputed king of the skies, has been hiding a secret project in their labs? A project so ambitious that it makes every other FPV drone on the market look like a toy from the 90s. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. For months, the drone community has been in a frenzy. We saw the grainy photos. We read the cryptic FCC filings. We heard the whispers from the supply chains in Shenzhen. People were calling it the Avata 3, but the truth is much bigger. This isn't just a third-generation update. This is a category-killing, 8K, capturing, 360-degree beast that is designed to do one thing: end the competition once and for all. Now, why is everyone so obsessed with 360? In the world of traditional drones, you are the director. You point the camera, you hit record, and you hope you caught the action. But with the Avata 360, the camera sees everything at once. It's like having a floating eyeball in the sky that records in every direction simultaneously. You don't point the camera anymore. You just fly. You focus on the adrenaline, the speed, and the proximity. You can decide where the camera was looking after you've landed, in the editing room. But let's talk about the hardware, because this is where DJI is flexing its muscles. The leaks suggest a revolutionary dual-sensor setup. We are looking at two massive 1-inch CMOS sensors. Yes, you heard that correctly. Mounted on a specialized rotating gimbal system. This isn't just a static 360 camera slapped on a drone. This is an intelligent, mechanical marvel. With a flick of a switch on your motion controller, the camera can transition from a standard 4K ultra-wide FPV view to a full 8K spherical capture mode. Imagine the power of 8K at 50 frames per second. The level of detail is so sharp you can practically feel the texture of the rocks as you fly past them. And for the slow-motion junkies, the rumors of 4K at 120 frames per second in standard mode mean your crashes, and your epic saves, will look like a high-budget Marvel movie. But power is nothing without control. One of the biggest complaints about FPV drones has always been the fear factor. One wrong move, one clipped branch, and your $1,000 investment is a pile of plastic on the ground. DJI heard you. The Avata 360 is reportedly equipped with an omnidirectional LiDAR system. This isn't just basic obstacle avoidance. This is a digital shield. The drone builds a 3D map of its surroundings in real time, hundreds of times per second. It knows where the trees are, it knows where the power lines are, and it knows where you are. If you're a beginner in the US, this is the cheat code you've been waiting for. You can fly through a dense forest with the confidence of a pro pilot, knowing that the AI-driven sensors are working as your invisible co-pilot. And then there's the